Are you tired of just dreaming about global travel and financial freedom? Do you ever wonder if there's a way to truly leverage your entrepreneurial spirit beyond your local market? Imagine building a thriving business that spans continents, generating income while you explore the world. For too long, many aspiring real estate entrepreneurs and Airbnb hosts have limited their vision. They focus solely on properties within their immediate vicinity, missing out on a vast ocean of opportunity. The truth is, the global market is ripe for the taking, offering exponential income potential for those bold enough to seize it. The question isn't if you can tap into this market, but how you begin listing internationally on Airbnb. This isn't just another theoretical discussion. We're about to embark on a comprehensive journey, a step-by-step breakdown of exactly how you can list property across multiple countries on Airbnb. We'll cover everything from the foundational account setup to advanced listing optimization techniques. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to start generating significant income from virtually any property location around the globe. This is your blueprint for building a truly global Airbnb empire. Step 1. Our journey begins with the bedrock of your global operation, your Airbnb account. This isn't just a casual profile. It needs to be a professional, robust representation of you as a serious host. Ensure your profile is complete, with a clear, professional photo and a detailed bio that instills trust and confidence in potential guests. Think of it as your global business card. A well-established profile with positive reviews from any previous hosting experience will significantly boost your credibility when you venture into new markets. Once your foundation is solid, we move to the critical phase of strategic research. This is where you identify the most promising international markets. Don't just guess. Dive into data. Look for countries with high tourism rates, stable economies, and a strong demand for short-term rentals. Consider emerging travel destinations as well, where competition might be lower, but growth potential is high. Tools like Google Trends, travel industry reports, and even Airbnb's own data insights can be invaluable here. Next, you need to pinpoint the average rental prices within your chosen target markets. This isn't a one-size-fits-all calculation. Prices vary dramatically based on location within a country, property type, seasonality, and local events. Utilize Airbnb's pricing tools, analyze competitor listings in your target areas, and consider local economic factors. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for setting competitive yet profitable rates. This meticulous research allows you to identify perfect locations without ever leaving your home office. It's about smart, data-driven decision-making. Step 2. With your account ready and your target markets identified, it's time to craft compelling listings that resonate with a global audience. This is where your property truly shines. The cornerstone of any successful listing, especially internationally, is high-quality photography. Invest in professional photos that showcase your property's best features, highlight its unique charm, and accurately represent the space. Remember, these images are often the first and most impactful impression a potential guest will have. Beyond stunning visuals, your listing description must be equally compelling. Write engaging narratives that highlight the unique selling points of your property and its surrounding area. Is it a cozy retreat in a bustling city, a serene escape near historical landmarks? Emphasize amenities, local attractions, and the overall experience you offer. Think about what makes your property stand out from the competition and articulate it clearly and enticingly. Pricing is an art and a science. You need to set competitive prices that attract bookings while maximizing your profitability. This involves dynamic pricing strategies, adjusting rates based on demand, seasonality, local events, and even competitor pricing. Utilize Airbnb's smart pricing tools, but always overlay them with your own market intelligence. Equally important is managing your availability meticulously. Block out dates for maintenance, personal use, or long-term bookings if applicable. Strategic pricing and availability management are the secrets to maximizing your profits and ensuring consistent occupancy. Step 3. Expanding globally means embracing linguistic diversity. The necessity of translating your listings into the target country's primary language cannot be overstated. A listing in English might attract some international travelers, but a listing in the local language will significantly broaden your reach and appeal to a much larger segment of the market. It demonstrates respect for the local culture and makes guests feel more comfortable and welcome. Fortunately, Airbnb offers built-in translation tools that can provide a good starting point. These tools are convenient for quick translations and can help you get your listing live in multiple languages relatively quickly. However, for critical elements like your property description and key instructions, relying solely on automated translation can be risky. Nuances, cultural contexts, and even simple grammatical errors can lead to misunderstandings or a less professional appearance. For absolute accuracy and to convey the true essence of your property, consider investing in professional translation services. A native speaker will ensure your listing is not only grammatically correct, but also culturally appropriate and persuasive. I once lost a significant booking because a crucial detail about the property's unique access was poorly translated, leading to confusion and ultimately a cancellation. Don't let a simple language barrier cost you valuable income. Professional translation is an investment that pays dividends in guest satisfaction and booking rates. Step 4. Venturing into international hosting requires a robust understanding of cross-border financial transactions and local regulatory frameworks. First, you need to configure your payment methods to seamlessly receive international funds. Airbnb's platform generally handles this efficiently, allowing you to link various bank accounts or payment services. However, it's crucial to understand any potential currency conversion fees, transfer limits, or processing times that might apply. Ensure your chosen method is reliable and cost-effective for receiving payments from different regions. Equally, if not more, important is diligently researching the local laws and regulations for short-term rentals in each country you plan to list in. This is not an area where you can afford to be complacent. Regulations vary wildly from city to city and country to country. Some areas have strict licensing requirements, occupancy limits, or even outright bans on short-term rentals. Others may require specific taxes, safety certifications, or guest registration procedures. Failing to comply with local laws can lead to hefty fines, legal disputes, or even the permanent removal of your listing. This is where many aspiring global hosts stumble. Before you even consider listing a property, thoroughly investigate the legal landscape. Consult with local legal experts if necessary. Understanding and adhering to these regulations is paramount to avoiding common legal pitfalls and ensuring the long-term viability of your international Airbnb business. Your due diligence here protects your investment and your reputation. Step 5. Once your international listing is live and legally compliant, the next crucial step is to actively market and promote it to attract a steady stream of guests. Don't just rely on Airbnb's internal search. Expand your reach. Share your listings across various social media platforms where your target audience spends their time. Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and even TikTok can be powerful tools for showcasing your property's appeal. Use high-quality visuals and engaging captions to capture attention and drive traffic directly to your Airbnb page. Beyond direct promotion, actively encourage your guests to leave positive reviews after their stay. Positive reviews are the lifeblood of any successful Airbnb business, and they are even more critical for international listings, where trust is paramount. Provide an exceptional guest experience, and then politely remind guests how much their feedback means to you. A simple follow-up message after checkout can significantly increase your review rate. The benefit of these positive reviews extends far beyond social proof. They directly improve your Airbnb search ranking. The more positive reviews and high ratings your listing accumulates, the higher it will appear in search results, leading to increased visibility and more bookings. This creates a virtuous cycle. Great experiences lead to great reviews, which lead to more bookings, which lead to more great experiences. I once saw a significant surge in bookings for a property after it was featured in a popular travel blog, purely because of its outstanding reviews. Leverage every opportunity to build your reputation. We've covered the essential steps to building your global Airbnb empire. From setting up a professional account and conducting meticulous market research to crafting irresistible listings, navigating language barriers, understanding complex payment and legal considerations, and finally, implementing effective marketing and promotion strategies. This comprehensive roadmap provides you with the foundational knowledge to confidently expand your hosting business across international borders. You now have a clear path to generating income from properties anywhere in the world. But what about the practicalities of managing multiple international listings? How do you handle guest communication across different time zones? And what are the advanced strategies for scaling this global operation? These are critical questions for any serious entrepreneur looking to truly master the international Airbnb game. For the answers to these and many more insights on successful international Airbnb management, make sure you watch our next video. It dives deep into the operational nuances and advanced tactics that will elevate your global hosting business to the next level. Don't miss out on the next phase of your journey. Like this video, subscribe to our channel for more invaluable tips, and click the link in the description to access the next video immediately. Your global Airbnb empire is within reach. Let's build it together.